Yo, yo, yo. What is up, my peoples? Your boy JV back at it again. So, on this one, gonna be letting you know what the heck's been going on. It's been a crazy week, man. But so last week where we left off, we're on phase two already. And we just needed to make 5K without losing 10K. Easy, easy. So we were up 3K, bam. And we came back Sunday expecting that, we were going to be good with the other 2K by the next day. And tell me why from Sunday to what would it be? Well, point is, I was down. I ended up losing total like 10K. 10K almost. I'm looking at my charts up here. But like almost 10K. So I ended up going from having 3%. I lost that 3%. And then I lost almost like 7K. So the account was at like 93,000 something, 93.5 or whatever. But it was like, damn. Oh man. But I gotta just be patient and let it set up again. God has given me the strength to do that past years in the markets, and gotta go back at it. Especially if I'm not taking profits, like small profits along the way. I was trying to wait for that big move, and I think now we're finally getting it. But I'll show you what I'm talking about. Look, I'll show you right here. The man, craziness. Uh, so DXY right here. Man, this is on the 30-minute time frame. On the left side, it's on a 4-hour time frame on the right side. So right here on the left side, this over here. Let me delete that for now so we can see a bit clearer. Okay, so man, craziness with DXY. So this over here on the left side, the first time that it went up, and the second time is whenever we caught the move and we passed the challenge. I believe it was that one. We passed phase one, and then it ended up going back up. We actually went in around this area, and bam, that was the first time that we kind of got kicked out, right? We lost money there. And then we went right back in at I thought was the rebounding of it going back down. Boom, we lost money there. So then it was messing around, came up around this zone, came back down. I said, okay, that might have been the double top there. And then we started, and every time we were selling, that means that I was buying Euro USD and stuff like that. So I'll show you right now that. But it ended up messing around and went all the way up to the 4-hour channel again, outside completely of the daily trend. So I was like, damn, okay, that looks crazy. But at the same time, look at the daily on this side. So on the daily, erase everything. On the daily, it just I wasn't leaving the bears alone. Like no, it's just expanding the divergence on it like a rubber band, expanding. No, I don't want to leave it alone. I wasn't gonna let it go. So when it went up here, it had a 4-hour, 30-minute. All the way down, it was showing me confluence, and I went. Let me show you. Now I'm gonna share the Euro USD and AUD USD so that you can actually see what was going on there. All right, so Euro USD, this is the hourly scale time frame. So from right here is where we took it the first time, beautiful, and then came back down. We had actually gone back in right here on the third touch. We thought we were gonna ride back up, and it broke that third touch, went and broke below the purple, which is a daily level. So then we came and retested. We went back in around this area when it came back up, and it was nice little profits there. We did get out whenever it came back down. And so we ended up catching a little bit of profit, half of what the peak was, but it was at break even there. Well, not break even, but profits in case it did mess around and start just going up a ladder. And once it did break out of there and mess around here, I believe this is where we went back in, lost money, went back in, lost money, and this yesterday was where it ended up peaking on the DXY. So this is where we went in right around this area. Boom. So now we are riding the wave. We did take profits last night. 95% of what we went in on, we took the bag, and it was messing around, holding. So we decided to go back in right here, and we are just holding at the moment in profit. We do have a tight stop loss just below all of this action that's been going on. So we do expect it to just keep on going up and keep on holding that position. So over here, AUD USD, man, this one is the one that as well lost us a lot of money. The first time, yeah, it was around here. 1, 2, 3, triple divergence. We went in. It was a nice little run up there, but then what the heck happened? So we went right back right here. We're like, okay, this is gonna be a good one. At least back to the trend. And this thing just what? So then when it ended up touching 1, 2, 3, it was a nice little setup that it did there. And we were in a quick, like, man, I was excited that, whoa, yo, I was expecting it to just fly. Wow, ended up just, man, just money being lost there, being hella lost. But we were able to get some really good entries last night. Beautiful little bottom that it did there. And when it came up here, it had a little trend going. So we ended up getting out right around this level, broke out, retested that zone where it had broken out of on my other screen. So boom, we went back in, and it's looking good. Next zone is around 7,400, and that will be our price target as far as take profits. So with that being said, let me show you the Ftmo account. Craziness, guys. What? This one is screen 2, so yeah, screen 2. All right. Bam. What? All right, so let me move this over there. I'm not sure you can see. All right, man. Right here. Look at that decline. What? What? Awful. Awful. All right, so today's primary loss, today's profit, 8,000. Hell of a comeback. Max daily loss. I lost 2,900 max. Max lost 10,000. I lost 6,500. So I mean, there you go. 6,500 was damn. That's like craziness. Profit target 5,000. I'm at 1,390. It says on there. Let's see if it's more or less. So now it's at 850. Little retrace on the dollar. And we have 166 total trades, 1 to 5, 194 total lots. So, man, the win rate's at 40% right now. It's gonna be better. It's gonna be better. So right here, you can see the heck had been going on. And yeah. So crazy, little crazy week. Fucking roller coaster. Those are the AUD and Euro USD trades. So, shows you everything there. But gold, man, it's been messing around too. But I mean, other than that, I'm expecting this to be a really good week. Let's go back to DXY. We're gonna see if we can finally break through those levels and finally have ourselves the next rally down to around 92,400 or so. But we'll see what happens, guys. Give you an update tomorrow, see how the trades ended up, see if we can get this to hit our targets, man. I'm gonna take a nap, tired. So I'll check you on the next one. Later, my peeps. Let's get funded, man. Let's get funded. All right.